This is truly historic land. There was a time when they used to refer to this delta land of the Wateree River as Little Egypt because the land was so fertile. I've seen as many as 20 deer grazing in the yard when I come in at night, maybe, after dinner. We have wild turkey. We have beautiful 9 or 10 acre pond that's full of bass and brim.
I'm gonna mean one now two, but it would mean two. I'm gonna mean one now two, but it mean two, mean one now two, worth the money mean two. I'm gonna mean one now two. Look at all the land, almost 200 acres of land. All the
Very professional, very organized, as Rob said, easy to follow. We understood from the start what the procedures would be, and again, once the auction started, it passed very quickly, and everyone left with a smile.
Well, I can tell you this, we had the property on the market for a year and a half. We've been listed with 2 other companies before we came into the picture. I showed this property like 3 times in a year and a half and took a few calls here and there. Once the marketing campaign kicked in, I think I showed this place 10 times within a few weeks. I can say this much, we wouldn't have sold this place without JP King being involved with it.